Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to change fuel filter on Touareg 2.5 tdi 2004. Okay, let's begin. Before you're gonna do any work, you need to expose where you're gonna be changing. So take off these panels, cover panels, they just unclip. Take the side ones first, so then you can take the middle one. Forgot about this one. Take this little clip there. They're just on clips, see? So if you pull on them, they will unclip. You're not gonna break them. Now the middle bit, just pull, 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 a bit more pull. That's it. The middle one done. Okay, so let's take the big one. Release the pipe, just push on it. It'll come out. And then same again. Just pull from the bottom up. It'll unclip. And you can take it off. Okay, so the part in question is there. That's what we're gonna change today. It is a fuel filter. These are just clips, push clips. So there's a push on the side there, if you can see. You push and then you pull. It's very hard to do with one hand. Push. Doesn't want to let go. Let's try this with right hand. Okay. Push and pull. There we are. Released it. They're just on clips. You can see. You push on it and pull, and it releases. And then when you're done with the new one, they just clip, and that's it. Okay, so first of all, what I would do is make some room. Maybe take off these cables or pipes. They are pipes. Just make some room so I can access it more easily. These look like they are I'm struggling with this one. Those are just air pipes. There we are, so a bit more room. Now we can see if we can release this one, because it's kind of in my way. I will need to get pliers in there to press on that clip there. I need to press, then it will release this filter. But first of all, I need to release all of the pipes, and don't forget to look at the markings. See, it has markings on them, so you don't mix those up. Let's get the new filter. I'll show you on the new filter. Okay, so the new filter is Machle. That's the code for it. I'll show you what I mean. It was like 24 quid or something. Brand new. There we are. Those are the markings. Because you can't mix those up, because the car will not work otherwise. Okay, so let's get those pipes off and let's get the filter out. Okay, so to release those clips, to make more room, what you need to do is, see that little edge there? You need to push on that edge and it will release the clip. I'll probably, I'll probably need 2 hands for this. We'll come back and I'll release it. Yeah, like I said, it released itself. You just need to press on the bottom one as the actual clip. You need to press on this and it will release this. But you need 2 hands because it's spring loaded and it just wants to close again. So you need to press on that one and hold with your fingers for that one, and then you can release this. Okay, let's try this one hand. There, see? You press on it, it releases, and then with the other finger you open it, making more room. Okay, now we can get those pipes off. Before you take those pipes off, it is wise to take a picture of them so you know which one went where, because you've got the writing there, so you don't mix them up. So just take a few snaps so you know you can come back on those and see if you've forgotten, if you're coming back the next day even to finish your work. If you haven't, so you can see the fixtures, where have they been, where those pipes been located, so you don't mix them up. Okay, there's another clip on there, the blue clip. Press on it and pull the pipe up. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It's really easy to unclip them, but not with one hand, because if you're using 2 hands and you're not filming like me, you press this clip with one hand and you just pull on the other with the other and it just unclips. It's very hard to do it with one hand. I've got one left, so let's try do it with one hand. I'm losing precious diesel. Okay, so I'll press on that and I'll pull. I'll release this first. Give me more room to wiggle. Take this clip off. Okay, now let's try it. With one hand. No, it just doesn't want to go. Let me just put you. Okay. Nah, it doesn't want to go. Unclipped it. There we are. So I unclipped 4 of the clips. Now I need to get to this thing and I need to press on it. This will release the whole filter to come out, and I can put the new one in and just reconnect those pipes, and that'll be that. I think I'll release this clip here to give me more room to reach that clip there, so I will take this off. There we are. Don't forget to reconnect it. Okay, now I've got a clear view. Now I need just to put the locking pliers, and I think I will take it out. Okay, so hopefully I'll be able to put these on. These are the locking ones. Locking pliers. You press on there, little tongue there, and it releases. Adjustable there, so you can adjust how much it grips. So what I need to do now is put them on there and grip them. I will take this thing off. It just clips top and bottom to give me more access to there, because it's very deep and I can't reach it. I have finally managed to secure those pliers on that clip, and as you can see, the filter is now loose to take out. So I will hold the pliers so they don't snap off because they're under pressure. I will take the filter out, put the new one in, and then I'll show you how to reconnect everything. So you can see the filter is now gone. That's what was holding it. So now I can reset to open even more, because there is a bit of slack. Here's the filter out. Now we just need to put the new one in and clip it back in together. Okay, so I put the new filter in. I just need to secure it now with this clip and put it onto, see, there's a little hand, so I need to put it onto that hand, and then I need to release it. I need to position it, turn slightly like that, like it was there. Now I need to release the clamp, and now the filter is in position. That's it, it's not going anywhere. Now all I need to do is just reconnect the pipes, connect this thing, and that'll be that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so the pipes, I'm just gonna put them on, not gonna clip them into place yet. See, they all reach their destination, yes. Now I just need to reconnect this clip. Yes, reconnect it, put it on there. Now get this pipe out. That's a cable which I moved out of the way so it doesn't interfere. Let's put it back in and clip with the clip. Yes. And now it needs to be connected up there. And there as well. Okay. There we are. What else did I move? This thing. Okay, so now I need to put these vacuum pipes back in. That's one. They just clip in. Two. One and two. And then one here. And that's it. And all I've got left is this clip which connects those two pipes, so they don't rub together, and they don't, because they can sometimes, if they rub on each other or on some metal, they can rub through, and then you're gonna be losing oil. And this is the last bit. Put these in. 1, 2, and clip. That's it. Now we can just connect those. Clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, and then clip 4. That's it. They're all clipped together. Yes, I think that's it. And that's it. That's the fuel filter done. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna put these panels in, put the strut in. The strut, oh yeah, I can show you the strut, how to release it. It's like a little metal bit. You put the screwdriver, flat screwdriver through there, and it just releases straight away. And put it back on, you just clip it on. That's it. And clip it at the bottom. There we are. That's it. So now I'm just gonna put all the plastics back in together, and that'll be that. Fuel filter change. Air filter changed, oil filter changed, oil changed, and that's the service done. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.